The Standard here, the headlines is staff new exam rules as teachers to get medical boost. Now, Matiang'i has come out guns blazing, and of course this is in the backdrop of some controversy that has hit the education sector with cheating that has been rife, and there's been all sorts of blame games going on. But he has come out with rules apparently that are going to ensure that cheating is going to be mitigated completely.
Well, I think these are a step in the right direction, but merely the first step in the right direction, because the people who were cheating last year were not doing the same using the actual physical papers. They were using digital means. They were using WhatsApp, they were using Facebook and other activities. And one would expect then that the next level would be about digital cheating, to how we are able to manage that. Because if you tell parents or guardians not to go to school during the third term, that's okay. They don't need to be there to give the students the papers. You can do it via WhatsApp.
In this information day and age, really, physical presence does not necessarily mean that that's the only way to interact.
Yeah, it's actually material. And the best way to address this issue is not even to look at the students. It's actually to look at the source. Where do these exams come from? The National Examination Council. That's where you're supposed to put the controls, and not necessarily in the schools. But again, you know, initially when the reports came out, it's as if the minister was saying you can't go to schools during third term, but I was able to clarify that. And I think the long-term solution for this is the source of the leakage.
Yeah, of course, for those of you who may not have read the article, what the minister is saying here, the CS, is that he has cut down completely on any social interaction between candidates and the outside world, as it were, especially in third term. No more prayers during third term, no more social activities. I think he's also cut down on the term time and the examination period as well.
Yeah, to reduce it to 4 weeks. And you recall during the examinations last year, the people who were accused of assisting and cheating were actually teachers, not even the parents or outsiders. Now, these teachers have got unlimited access to the students, and an interesting twist is that it's the headmasters of the various schools who will be appointed to manage the exams. And you recall the headmasters are under a lot of pressure to make sure that the students perform. Probably this is a good opportunity now for the headmasters, because they've been given the opportunity to manage the exams, actually to increase the levels of cheating.
Absolutely.